We're here at United Nations headquarters in New York because today we've had a briefing with country missions, the governments at the UN, about the importance of having road safety targets included in the Sustainable Development Goals. The importance of road safety being included within the SDGs is that for the first time it will be recognised as part of the mainstream of global development policy. And I think what we've seen today at the briefing is that you have a number of major governments and smaller countries as well, but also a consensus across the UN, across UN agencies like UNICEF, UNEP, WHO, that road safety is something that needs to be worked on. It is something that needs to be taken seriously.
We are here today to focus on the critical issue of road traffic injury in the post-2015 development process, an issue which impacts, as we've just heard, our collective objective to ensure that all children are safe, healthy, and well-educated. This objective lies at the very heart of sustainable development itself. The proposed SDG target to have road traffic fatalities and injuries is of vital importance to children.
It's very important that we really focus right now. We're at a critical juncture regarding the Sustainable Development Goals. Road safety is a very serious issue regarding world health and safety. And it's imperative that now, more than ever, that we protect children, those vulnerable around the world, everywhere. This is a disease that affects everyone. No one is immune from this. So it's absolutely critical that the leadership within the UN, within world governance, really pay attention to this and put the resources and the muscle behind it to make things happen.
Collaboration is key, and when you think about some of the UN agencies, the FIA Foundation's leadership, utilizing the contacts and the relationships and building that support of road safety is really important. Not one entity can do it alone, so bringing people together like today's event are important parts of the road safety movement.
I think it's hugely important. I think it's been overlooked throughout the years, but it's becoming an issue associated with the expansion of development towards the south. And it's very impressive when you see the numbers that 90% of deaths and injuries occur in countries of the south, in developing countries. And the need to speed up action at the more international level, engaging governments and the private sector in a common cause that is taking away the lives of many, in particular the most vulnerable segments of our population.
I'm concerned about road trafficking because I grew up in a country where this is an issue for concern. I grew up seeing the fatalities and many injuries that many South Africans suffer. And now that I have the opportunity to make my contribution at the global level, I think it is important to pursue this objective.
Well, this really is a critical period. I think there's a growing sense that the decisions that are made over the weeks and months ahead about these key international goals on sustainability, on development, will frame our aspirations for a whole generation, and that's why it's so critical that we get road safety and road traffic injuries onto that agenda.